I'm in the mountains in Arkansas. This is called Crystal Recreation Area in the Ouachita National Forest. This is where I'm getting my water from. I filtered a bunch of water yesterday. Hi there. There are butterflies all over the place, especially monarchs. I don't see any right now. What are you? An ant? Nope, you're a spider. Can't see you in the camera lens though. Everything is starting to bloom. The trees are turning green. I'll be here for 2 weeks, so I'm sure they'll be a whole lot greener. It was 7:30 before I woke up this morning, and it was still dark. So must be down, the trees must be covering up the sunlight. They do, they're open right overhead though, because I'm getting really good solar. Everything is topped off right now. My solar setup. I'm powering up my tablet, and then the solar panel in the background, the small one, is to the motion sensor lights. They are very, very bright. They come on no matter what approaches me. They've gone off for raccoons thus far. There's about 15 campsites. I have a neighbor on one side and another on the other side. I don't think they're here for the long haul though. I think they are hunting crystals. Here's my camper. Let's see what's in here. Messy bed. That's okay. Nobody's here to look except you. So I put the mosquito net up, not because there's mosquitoes, but because there's bugs, and even though the wind is blowing, the flies, they're not as bad as I have seen before in every part of the United States, but the flies will get in if I leave the doors open, and I like my doors open because it's a small space and I don't want it to start smelling, and so that's how I keep things fresh. It's my bedroom, so I like to keep the door open. Oh, I wanted to show you something else new. So this is Arm & Hammer's version of a moisture absorber, and as you can see, I've only had them in for about 2 weeks now, and that's how much moisture they've absorbed. But it is dry in there, and I really appreciate that. Oh, there's restrooms here. Over there beyond that camper. And of course I'm all set. I don't need to use the public restrooms that they have here. But they also have garbage cans right over there, mid-frame. This is an experiment. Put a outdoor canopy over my clam, over my shelter, to provide more protection from the wind and the rain. So far it's working out just fine. I had a captain's chair, but I found this and it was free. It takes up way less space, and I like sitting on it way more than I did the captain's chair. So as I was walking around this morning, I found 2 books, and they were on the concrete part of the outhouses, but I went on ahead and they were wet, a little bit wet, so I put them out in the sun. They're dry. Now I have 2 more books to read, and I was just fresh out. So this one is The Partner by John Grisham, and the other one is The Brethren, also by probably John Grisham, but we'll see. Yep, The Brethren, also by John Grisham. So